Hi mga ka-101, this is TV June Moto 101. And for today's video, we are preparing for our single day adventure. Our trip, we start from home to Koklong Cafe for breakfast, to Kauito, Kauyay, and then go to Nakonayok and then go back home. So we are preparing now. Nakagas na tayo mga ka-moto. With me is my wife, Mommy Daisy Diary, and my in-law. This is John Arnell. We are the twinning Sontis 368G. By the way, we are in Thailand. We are based in Thailand. So we prepare ourselves. Ready na tayo, naka-helmet. And this is my wife, Mommy Daisy Diary, for our journey. So come with us. Our first stop over will be in the Koklong Cafe for our breakfast. I think time check is around 6:30 in the morning. So we are here in PTT gas station. Nakapagas na tayo, nakacheck na tayo ng ating mga air pressure, and then we are ready to move. Kasama-sama natin ang ating Zontis 368G sa ating journey for today. This is our first long ride, one-day trip, going around to Kauito, Kauyay, and Nakonayok from BKK. Ayan, don't forget to subscribe our channel, DB June 101. Napaka-smooth ang takbo ng ating bike. Yan, this is on the way to Koklong Cafe. So far, nag-enjoy tayo sa ating ride. I think this is the Prachinburi Road. We are using the Prachinburi Road because we are targeting the Kauito. We are trying our best that we can reach Kauito at around 9 or 8:30 or 9 o'clock in the morning. Kasi dadaan pa tayo sa Koklong Cafe for our breakfast. Kaya shout out yan mga Kamoto 101 who are watching in our video today. Please don't forget to subscribe and support our channel. We are using, by the way, we are using the Insta360 X3. At sa harap natin naka-GoPro tayo built-in sa ating helmet. Kaya mga subscriber at followers natin dyan, if you see me, just ask for a sticker. I will give you a sticker. So this is the Koklong Cafe. This is where we always stop by with my wife during our St. Teresa University classes. So let's go for breakfast. Ayan, nakapag-park na tayo. Very nice place. This is the Koklong Cafe. And then we have our breakfast. Yan, tuloy ating journey going to Kauito using the Prachinburi Road. Okay, for a while, forward mo natin, fast forward mo natin mga kamoto para hindi naman kayo maboard sa ating journey. So join with us and abangan nyo ang ating arrival in Kauito for a while. Yan. So maganda ang guys, the road that we are using is the Prachinburi Road. Napakaganda ng daan niya. Napakalinis, hindi masyadong crowded. So hopefully next time we can have our friends here in Thailand. Also we can ride together with some of our Thai friends. So yung speed natin dyan is around 120 kilometer per hour, 130. So ganyan lang because Mommy Daisy is in our back ride. Ayan. So far, so good. We are targeting Kauito for our second stop after our breakfast. By the way, to give you an heads up, that Koklong Cafe, that's the place that some of the bikers also will stop over for breakfast. Not only motorbikes but also the cyclists, the bikers. So they have Thai groups there that having their breakfast also when we arrive. So far, we are now in Kauito and this is our first uphill using using our Sontes 360G. Medyo paangat siya. This Kauito, to give you an heads up, mga kamoto, is the downhill bike trail sa Prachinbori. So far, very nice yung suspension. Nakatayo tayo dyan. Some of the Thai friends. Ayan. Greet natin sila. Mga bikers din. At bibigyan natin sila ng sticker later, mga Kamoto 101. And we are now in the highest point here in Kauito. So, pag mabisita nyo ang lugar, guys, napakaganda. Before, when I used to have the downhill biking with my friends also, wala pa itong tower na to. But now, meron ng landmark na ginawa nila. So, this is the landmark. Mga ka-Division 101 Moto Vlog, we conquered the 331 meters above sea level. This is Kauito. So we conquered the Kauito. Yan. Together with our team, we are now in Kauito. Napakaganda ng view dito. Kauito conquered. This is it. Sulit ang biyahe from BKK Krungtet to Kauito. Next stop will be Kauyay. See you there, mga kamoto. So yung pag-angat natin kanina, pag-akyat natin, yan ang footage na kuha ni Mami Desi Diary. Yakang-yaka ng ating 360 Sontes. Pwede talagang pang trail, enduro bike talaga siya. Di lang pang highway, kundi pang mountain trail din. Ayan ang landmark ng Kauito. Ito yung landmark nila. So if you visit Kauito, don't forget to visit this spot. Napakaganda. Very nice. By the way, Kauito, mga kamoto, we have a 100 baht entrance when we go inside Kauito. So I think that's for the environmental fee. Medyo ano lang, murang-mura para sa atin na babayaran ang 100 baht sa napakagandang view na makikita natin. So hindi lang yan yung mga magagandang tanawin dito, mga kamoto. Pagpababa na tayo sa Kauito, before we pass by the cafe, so you can see the beautiful spot here and napakagandang view for taking pictures. So now we are in the cafe here in Kauito. Lagyan natin ng sticker, mga kamoto. Ito yung sign, ito yung marking na we conquer this place. Conquer by Division Moto 101. So ayan yung sticker natin. For our followers, just ask for a sticker if you meet me somewhere in the road. That is Division Moto 101. Ito yung cafe. Napaka nice. Beside nito is a lake. You can have a camp. So let's go back. Our next stop will be the Kauyay National Park. So palabas na tayo. We having our pass forward para naman hindi kayo mainip sa ating journey going to Kauyay, our third stop. So ito, we are following the trail, the trail going to Kauyay using our GPS. Pero while we are traveling, we are end up with the end of the road, and this is the trail side. So di kaya, so balik tayo dito. Parang pang trail talaga ng motorcycle yan, para hindi namin nasubukan kasi hindi rin namin alam kung saan papunta. Ang nakalagay lang sa GPS is to Kauyay. So this is a trail site going to Kauyay. So balik kami using the main road going to Kauyay. Napakagandang daan sa Kauyay, mga Kamoto 101. So far, hindi pa naman nagrereklamo si Mami Daisy Diary at ako sa likod sa kakaupo. This is around 11 o'clock or 10 o'clock past 10 o'clock in the morning. So this is the way going to Kauyay National Park. By the way, for your information, the Kauyay National Park for Thai citizen, there's an entrance fee around 40 baht, but for the foreigners, it's up around 400 baht. They will ask you about your Thai ID or your passport. So you need to pay the 400 baht in order for you to go inside the Kauyay National Park. So it's a long journey. It's around almost an hour or 38 minutes or an hour going to Kauyay from Cavite. So far, yung daan naman medyo curvy, pero napakaganda. Makakalanghap ka ng preskong hangin. Di ko alam mga kamoto if you are traveling here during night time, if maliwanag ba o medyo madilim. Kasi ano lang siya, minimal lang yung mga post niya. So yan, pa-curve tayo dyan. Hindi pwede mag-banking kasi hindi pa tayo sanay sa ating bike sa Suntis 360G. Kaya payo, advice for the riders with the back riders, you should have your what we call intercom, so that when you are talking with your back ride, parang magkaintindihan kayo, hindi ka magsisigawan. So we are having our intercom with Mami Daisy Diary. Kauyay National Park, mga kamoto, you can pass by from Prachinburi, Nakon Ratchasima, and then you can go through Moklek if you pass through the mountain. So we are now here in Kauyay National Park with my team. Yan. The Zontes 360G journey to Kauyay. So that's it. Our next stop will be Nakunayok, but we are looking for our lunch. The easy way to look for lunch is 7-Eleven. And usually, for an heads up information for our riders, 7-Eleven is always present in PTT gas station. So if you are looking for 7-Eleven in your journey, better stop by in PTT gas station. Always, PTT gas station have the 7-Eleven and most food shops and other shops. You can check your pressure, tire pressure, your gas, you can refill your gas, and they have also the clean and nice toilets. So now, before heading to Nakunayok, the Kundan Prachun Dam, we will be looking for our lunch. So far, the journey, wala pang angal si Zontes 368G. By the way, our top speed for this journey is around 140 km per hour. May back ride pa yan. Kaya very smooth yung takbo ng chill ride lang ito, mga Kamoto 101. That is the suspension, the front suspension. So, napakaganda talagang gamitin sa mga travel yung 360, 360, Insta360 camera. So yan, stop over tayo na kapag lunch na tayo sa 7-Eleven. Very mura lang yung lunch natin, around 100 baht with chicken, kaunia, soft drinks, and others. So stop by PTT gas station for lunch, 7-Eleven. And let's go through the Nakonayok Dam, the Kundan Prachon Dam. Don't forget to pray always before we start riding again. So prayer muna, prayer, and then after that, let's go and continue our journey. Shout out to our friends in Finland. We have Ship Mars. Yan, shout out Jan. So again, we are using our Zontes 368G Enduro bike. Ayun sa 7-Eleven. So this time, we are heading to the dam in Nakonayok. This is our last stop before heading home. Ang maganda lang sa Thailand, mga kamoto, very nice yung ano nila, daan. Malinis ang daan, very wide, very safe. So yan ang signage going to Kundan Prachon Dam. So again, this is a single day adventure. 2 bikes, 3 riders. Si John Arnel, wala po siyang back ride. Single riders lang siya. But me, I have my Mommy Daisy Diary, my back ride. Ayan. Mas masaya kasi mga guys, it's nice to have your back ride kasi may kausap ka during sa journey. At may control ka sa yung speed because you have your back ride. And that is your wife. Mahirap naman, iba yung maback ride pa. Okay? Siguraduhin natin na ating maback ride ay ating mga wife. So we are nearing the dam, and actually this dam is a world record for the longest compacted dam. I don't know if na-break na yung record this time. So that is the signage going to dam, and then we will be heading up. Napakagandang lugar ito guys for picture taking. Medyo maulan ngayon dito sa Nakonayok. Buti na lang tumigil siya, medyo ano na lang, konti-konti na lang. Kasi pag umulan, so we stop by or slow our speed. So going inside the dam, medyo paangat siya at medyo curvy. Medyo traffic din siya going up. Maraming motorcycle at saka cars going up to see the beauty of nature and to see the beauty of the Kundan Prachon Dam. Kaya medyo matraffic na siya. Sorry mga ka-101, overtake tayo sa yellow lane para hindi tayo maipit sa traffic. So ayan, this is Kundan Prachon Dam. So we're in the parking. So this is our 4th stop, and thank you for watching. This is Division 101. See you again in our next trip. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.